Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about Google Chrome AI features, take your browsing experience to the next level. Alright, so this is going to be the Chrome website. Basically, I have 5 features to talk about you, and technically everything here is entirely for free. So to get here, if you want to check the animations, go to Chrome and dash what's new. This is going to be the URL, and basically we're going to have these 5 features to talk about. So let's start with the first one. This is going to be Google Lens. Now, if you're not seeing this one on your end, for example, Google Lens is not working on your end, before I get to the example, I want you to do this first. Click on the 3 dots right there, go to settings. Now, once you're in settings, type in here, let's go for search engine. And then you're going to see this one, manage search engines and search sites. So sometimes it gives you a default Chrome or default browser. I want you to click on this one, the Google default. Click on the 3 dots right there and make default. So currently it's gonna be default on my end. Anyway, this is how it should look like. So if you click on this one, make default. Make sure Google default or Google is gonna be the one on default. Because everything here, the one we're gonna talk about for today, is not gonna work unless your Google browser is the one on default. Alright? That's gonna be a very helpful tip, so I want you to take note of that. Now let's move on for a very specific website we're gonna use Google Lens with. Perfect, this is gonna be Amazon. Now let's just pretend we don't know the name of this item. We only have a photo, right? Now how does it work? I want you to click on the 3 dots right there. Look for the one that says search with Google Lens. So if you don't have it here, you can also check on that upper portion right there. And basically one click of a button, you will see this option. You can just screen capture the one you're looking for. Release the mouse, you're gonna have this one. So everything in here is gonna be related to that item you just have screen captured with. You can click this one to unpin from toolbar, or you can click anything here you want. As you can see right there, you can visit the website now, share it, or save. And basically that is how you use Google Lens. Alright, let's try it out for a different example. I'm gonna go back to Amazon. Now for this one, I'm gonna select a random item. What if this one, alright? I'm gonna click that one right there. Select this one, just a photo. Click on it, and I'm gonna have that one. As you can see, even the price is gonna be right there. How awesome, right? Basically, that's how you work with Google Lens. Let's move on for the next one. So the next one would be smartly organize your tabs or tab organizer. Again guys, make sure that your default Chrome or default search engine would be Chrome. Alright? Now, how does it work? As you can see right here, this is going to be the animation. There's no full screen for this one, so I really can't full screen it. Anyway, this is how it works. So I have 3 tabs here, mainly focused on YouTube. I can just click the control key on my keyboard. Let me just pull out my notepad so you guys can see it. Again, that would be the control key, right? Hold the control key on your keyboard and select the websites or the tabs you're trying to join a group with. And then basically on the last tab, I want you to click on right click and then add in here, add tabs to a new group. If I click on this one, I can select a color of those tabs. For example, I'm going to go with yellow. Name this one, I'm going to go with YouTube sample. And basically for this one, this is going to be grouped in one simple tabs. Alright? As you can see right there, it's also saved on your bookmark. So every time I remove this one, for example, let's just say, I'm gonna pull it out right here. Alright? Now you're gonna see there's gonna be a bookmark there, right? Now if I click on this one, it's gonna open a new tab of those YouTube samples. How awesome, right? And basically that's how you use the new features in Google Chrome, which is the Smartly Organizer. Perfect. For the next one, we're gonna talk about this theme generator. So express yourself with generated themes. Now I just want to let you know something about this one. Let's go to it right now. Now before we get into it, I just want to let you know a disclaimer that it has been imposed right now that there is a requirement for this theme. Before, a few months ago, once this new update was released, it doesn't have a requirement. As of now, they have updated it and they changed it. So right now, if you're located in the US and you're at least 18 years old and you're signed into your Google account, you're gonna be able to use this one. Take note about that one, right? So for now, since I'm not located in the US, even though I'm 18 years old, it's not being applicable on my end. Anyway, how does it work? So on your computer, you can open Chrome, bottom right, select Customize Chrome, it looks like this one. 3 dots, click on Customize Chrome and can arrive this one. So on this part, there should be an AI that's going to be involved in theme generations. This is how it should look like. Let me just play this one. Click the appearance, change theme, create with AI, and just type in whatever you want. Click create, and basically this is how it should look like. I'm gonna wait for until it goes public again, because before I was able to try it out. However, right now it has been updated that it's only applicable for the US and under 18, or sorry, above 18 years old. Anyway, without further ado, let's go more for the next feature. It's gonna be Gemini Shortcut. So basically, Gemini Shortcut is an AI or ChatGPT inside Chrome. So basically, how does it work? Let me just go to a new tab. And for this one right here, on your URL, type in the @ symbol. There is Gemini. Click on it, enter anything. For example, how can I lose weight? Something like that. Add a question mark for that one. Click on enter, and you'll be directed on this Gemini interface. So this is going to be the answer. By the way, there is a Gemini Advanced feature wherein it's going to be payment for at least 1,000 per month. Anyway, that's going to be in pesos, so that's going to be $200 per month. So basically, this is going to be Gemini. There are going to be another pro version for that one. There are sources for here. Now let's try the powers of Gemini while we're still here. Upload an image. I'm going to apply that one. So as of now, Gemini cannot describe images of people. I'm going to add this one, an image of a cat. So I'm going to ask Gemini to describe this image. Click on enter. By the way guys, I have a video regarding the comprehensive background on how to work on Gemini, so please check it out. As you can see right there, it has described the cat. You can modify the selected text, for example. You can regenerate, make it shorter, longer, or remove. If I click longer for that one, it's gonna modify the answer. Easy as that. Alright? So it's gonna be Gemini for you. Let's move on for the next feature. Now for the next feature, this is gonna be write with confidence. So how this works, anything inside Google Chrome, you can message this one, use this application to help you write. Basically, it's gonna be like that one. This is how it should look like. As you can see right there, there is gonna be a text box. And basically selecting the text, type in help me write, and then AI or Chrome AI will help you write basically. Alright? You can change the tone, the casual or formal. So let's try this one out. I have this one's going to be a banking website. So there's going to be a text message here. I'm going to type in here, I want to join. Simple as that. Or let's just say your bank. Since this is a banking website, I'm going to select text, click on right click, choose help me write. And basically for this one, I'm just going to enter I want to join your bank. Click on create. And right now, Google AI is going to creating or informing this message. So this is going to be the result. You can undo or redo. You can refine, elaborate, shorten, casual, or retry. I'm going to make this formal. And this is going to be the result in a few seconds. And we have this one. Undo button is going to be here. Or redo is going to be right there. If I click on replace, I'm going to have that one. Of course, you can also help me write this one. Basically for this, click on create, and this is going to be my tip. Always use help me write until you find the one you're looking for, making this a bit more casual. And basically for this one, it's going to be easy as that. That's going to be help me write for you. Again, this works anything as long as it's going to be in a text box inside Google Chrome. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.